Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. So today we're going to be downloading and installing Visual Studio Code. The easiest way is to Google Visual Studio Code. First, to take you to show probably the first result will be the Visual Studio Code website, which is code.visualstudio.com. Just click on it, and then you can see the download file that you can click on it. And then download it and install it. I won't be installing it because I already have it installed on my system. So just download it up, follow the prompts. Let's wait for it to finish downloading. So once it's done, open the installer. You can see it has detected it is running and asking me to close all the installs. So I'll just close all installs. That's because I already have it. Save workspace. Save. So I'm going to see just save that. I don't want it for it to close. So you can go ahead and install the terminal. In all cases, you should have that prompt. Then you click on accept, click on next. I like to have all these synced. Click on next, and then you click on install. So I won't be installing it. I'll just be cancelling it. And once it is installed, you should have a Visual Studio interface. As you open it, yours might not look exactly like mine because I have some themes already installed in mine. So that's why my own is looking a bit different. I have themes with color, icons, and a lot of other things installed already. That's how I used to do. Or you should have something similar to this. Might not be the same thing. You might not have all this because these are all extensions that have been installed on my VS Code. So once you've installed it, you are ready to start coding. So in the next tutorial, we'll start by creating our first Python script. So see you next time. And kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this.